Airports are the only place where time slows down. Water costs $6, and everyone forgets how lines work. But trust me, the weirdest stuff, it's behind the scenes. This is Airport Pro. Subscribe now or risk paying $14 for a sandwich and a side of regret. 1. That charging station? Not your friend. Those public USB ports? They could be juice jackers in disguise. Hackers love a good airport. Stick to your own charger or risk giving your phone a surprise download you didn't ask for. 2. The gate number lies. You camp out near gate 12, feeling smug. Then bam, last minute switch to C47. Gate roulette is real, and it's brutal. Stay alert, not attached. 3. Airport time isn't real time. Arrive 3 hours early, still sprinting. Arrive 1 hour early, and you're first at the gate. Time bends in airports. Don't question it, just roll with it. 4. That lounge access you skipped might have been free. Some credit cards, random airline statuses, or even same-day upgrades get you in. Next time ask. Worst case, they say no. Best case, you're sipping free lattes like royalty. 5. Free seats upgrade? It's a thing. Be nice to the gate agent. Like, genuinely. They have the power, the system, the click that moves you from middle to exit row. Kindness equals legroom. 6. Airport coffee's secret ingredient? Suspicion. That bitter taste isn't just bad beans. Some airport water tanks haven't seen a deep clean since flip phones were trendy. Stick to sealed bottles unless you like your latte with a side of mystery. 7. Sleep zones exist, but they're stealthy. Every airport has a secret corner. Quiet, Demensoys, find it, and you've won the overnight layover lottery. Miss it, and it's tile floor dreams for you. 8. The back of the plane? Bump City. Want smooth skies? Pick over the wing. It's the plane's sweet spot. Science says so. Back row equals turbulence and toilet proximity. No thanks. 9. Headphones on. Nah, do not disturb, even if they're not plugged in. It's universal airport language for no, I don't want to talk about your nephew's soccer game. 10. That final boarding call? It's probably not. Airlines cry wolf more than you think. Unless your name is being screamed over the PA, you've got a few minutes. Walk with purpose, not panic. 11. The moving walkway isn't a ride. It's a speed boost, not a lazy river. Stand on the right, walk on the left. Block the flow and you're the villain of Concourse B. 12 TSA bins? Germier than a gas station toilet. They touch everyone's stuff. Phones, shoes, funky travel pillows. Hand sanitizer after? Non-negotiable. 13. That snack bar charges $8 for trail mix. Pack your own. Be the snack boss. Airport food math. The smaller the item, the higher the markup. 14. Checked bags have a favorite game. Hide and seek. Want yours to show up on time? Ditch the black suitcase. Add a loud tag. Make it stand out like a flamingo at a penguin party. 15. Boarding first is overrated. All it means is more time sitting in a metal tube. Unless you're hoarding bin space, let the chaos happen first, then stroll on like a travel ninja. 16. Noise-canceling headphones. Shower the best investment ever. They block crying baby, loud talkers, and those gate announcements that sound like static and stress. 17. The flight tracker apps know more than the gate agent. Seriously, download one. Flight delayed? You'll find out before the person holding the mic does. 18. There's always one bathroom that's clean and empty, and it's never the one next to your gate. Walk a bit, look around a corner, boom, peace, quiet, and probably paper towels. 19. Overhead bins are Thunderdome. Late boarders equals under-seat bags and crushed foot space. No shame in being strategic with boarding group timing. It's survival. 20. Airplane mode is your battery's BFF, even before you fly. Airports are signal black holes. Your phone will die trying to connect to ghost towers. Airplane mode equals power preserved. 21. Free airport Wi-Fi comes with a side of data risk. Hackers love open networks. Use a VPN or skip logging into your bank account while waiting for boarding group 9. Now 22. Pre-check isn't a luxury. It's a sanity subscription. Shoes stay on. Laptop stays in. Line moves fast. Once you've tasted it, regular security feels like medieval punishment. 23. That duty-free liquor? Check the rules. Some countries make you recheck it at your layover. Yes, your whiskey might get confiscated because you had a connecting flight. Cheers. 24. Airline apps are clutch. Mobile boarding passes, gate changes, seat swaps, all at your fingertips. Also good for pretending to scroll when avoiding small talk. 25. You don't have to recline. It's legal, yes. But is it kind? Middle seat behind you already lost the elbow war. Don't take their knees too. 26. Boarding pass selfies equals rookie mistake. That barcode holds all your info. Post it online, and some hacker just booked a flight in your name. Congrats. 27. Free upgrade secrets? Dress matters. No one gets moved to business class in pajama pants. Polished, shoulders possible upgrade. Sloppy equals seat 29E next to the bathroom. 28. Don't trust the "flight is full" announcement. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's airline code for "please gate check your bag so we board faster." 29. That travel pillow at the gift shop? Lies. Flimsy, overpriced, and filled with sadness. Bring your own from home. The real deal with memory foam and dreams of neck support. 30. Delayed flight? Don't just sigh, act. Get in line and call the airline at the same time. The first win that connection race gets the seat. Don't wait and hope. 31. Airport announcements speak fluent mumble. Flight mumble, mumble, gate mumble, now boarding. Listen close or miss your flight while buying gummy worms. 32. The silent airport trend is real. Some airports barely make announcements anymore. You blink and your flight's halfway boarded. Stay alert. 33. That security line drama, always avoidable. There's always one line that moves twice as fast. Pro tip, follow business travelers. They pack like ninjas and don't mess around. 34. Currency exchange kiosks are daylight robbery. Avoid them unless you enjoy getting scammed with a smile. Use an ATM inside the airport for better rates. Just watch for fees. 35. The floor is not your friend. Looks clean. It's not. Airport carpets are bacteria playgrounds. Keep your bag off it unless you want a souvenir called flu. 36. That gate with no one around could be gold. Great for stretching, yoga, or lying dramatically on the floor. Empty gate equals instant travel lounge. Just don't miss your flight. 37. Security staff have seen it all. They won't flinch at your tangled earbuds, your mismatched socks, or your emergency snack hoard. Relax. They're not judging. They're scanning. 38. Not all bathrooms are created equal. Family restrooms trust privacy, space, and zero awkward eye contact. Use one if it's open. It's like first class for your bladder. 39. Flight delay? Don't suffer in silence. Politely ask if they'll hand out meal vouchers or drink coupons. Sometimes, all it takes is asking. Bonus. Snacks taste better when they're free. 40. Checked a bag? Take a photo of it. If it vanishes, you'll need more. It's like Navy. Visual. Faster claim. Less stress. 41. That direct flight doesn't mean non-stop. Direct just means same flight number. It could still land somewhere random for technical reasons. Read the fine print. 42. Not all airport seats are created equal. Some are soft, some have outlets, and some feel like concrete regret. Explore better than Gate 37's prison bench. 43. Forgot something? Try the airline desk. Lost headphones? Phone charger? Some airlines stock extras, and they might just hand one over for free if you ask nicely. 44. In airport hotels? Under lifesavers? Flight canceled? Long layover? Some terminals have secret hotels inside security. Quick nap, shower, and zero stress. 45. Layover over 5 hours? Time to explore. Many airports offer short-term tours or free transit into the city. Better than napping in a plastic chair for 6 hours. 46. Always pack an emergency kit. Charger, snacks, deodorant, meds, toothbrush. You never know when 2-hour delay becomes see you tomorrow. 47. Don't trust boarding groups. Group 3 could have 90 people in it. If it's open and you're close, walk up with confidence. Gate agents rarely stop someone who looks like they belong. 48. Never wear complicated shoes. Laces, buckles, and thigh-high boots are a TSA meltdown waiting to happen. Slip-ons only. You're not walking a runway, you're walking through a scanner. 49. Airplane air equals dry desert wind. Bring lip balm and lotion or leave the flight looking like you aged 10 years. Hydration is self-care, even at 30,000 feet. 50. Airports are chaos, but you're the calm, patience, snacks, good shoes, and a tiny bit of smug prep. That's the secret. Fly smart, fly chill, be Airport Pro. They tried to confuse you, they tried to break you, but you've got Airport Pro now. Subscribe, stay sharp, and don't fall for duty free ever again.